Scrum involves 3 roles, 5 events, and 3 artifacts. Let's look at how this works. First, the team identify all the tasks required to deliver the product. These tasks are individually recorded and become the product backlog. Scrum develops products in short iterations, known as sprints. Each sprint lasts between 2 and 4 weeks. At the end of the sprint, a potentially shippable piece of the final product should be produced, known as an increment. The sprint begins with planning, where the team choose the highest priority items from the product backlog and decide which they will develop in the sprint. Once chosen, these become the sprint backlog, and everything must be completed by sprint end. This becomes the sprint goal. Finally, during sprint planning, the team will agree on the definition of done. This explains exactly what must be completed and the quality level that must be achieved in order to consider the increment delivered. During the sprint, each item of the sprint backlog is produced in short development periods called time boxes. Every day, a daily scrum is held where the team discuss progress and resolve any issues. Once the increment is delivered, a sprint review is conducted to ensure everything is done, meaning everything agreed has been delivered at acceptable quality. The review will also discuss what action needs to take place in future sprints. This is followed by a retrospective to identify improvements that can be applied to the next sprint. A Scrum team is made up of the product owner, the team, and the Scrum Master. The product owner is an individual who manages the product backlog and ensures the value of the work that the team performs. They must clearly express product backlog items and prioritize them. The product owner is also responsible for optimizing the value of the work the team performs and ensuring that the product backlog is visible, transparent, understood by the team, and clearly shows what the next task is. The team performs the work and delivers a potentially shippable product. The Scrum Master is an individual who ensures that the team adheres to Scrum practices, values, and rules.